DIY. Today we're making some donuts in the air fryer.
Okay, welcome to Huson DIY. My name is Ben.
My name's Matilda.
My name's Oliver.
So as Matilda said, in this video we're making some Krispy Kreme style donuts, some glazed donuts in our air fryer. We're going to go through it step by step, how to do it and how to use the air fryer to make them. So first of all, we'll measure out and start mixing the ingredients.
For the donuts we need 280 grams of flour,
40 grams of caster sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter of a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 large egg, 120 grams of whole milk,
40 grams of butter, 7 grams of yeast. For the glaze on the donuts we need 250 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract,
5 tablespoons of whole milk,
75 grams of butter,
Okay, so we've got the flour, nutmeg, sugar and salt in here. We've got the dry ingredients all haven't we in there. And then in this one Matilda has got the milk, egg, butter and yeast mixed together. It looks disgusting. Yeah. Yep, we need to get these mixed together because the yeast is reacting. So we'll get this mixed in, we'll get it stirred around. We're going to use the food processor, the dough hook on there for 3 minutes on high.
We're going to mix this for 3 minutes in the dough mixer. The dough's in a greased bowl and it'll take 2 hours for it to rise.
It's been resting for 2 hours and we're going to roll it out and cut the donuts. We're going to let them rest for 40 minutes.
All done now, just ready for the glaze. So they've been, we glazed them, they've cooled for a bit, hopefully the glaze has gone a little bit hard, so we're going to try them now. And we've done some little, so the centres of them as well, we made them into doughs, didn't we? Yeah. So we're going to try them first. So guys, go for it, have a go. See what you think. Any good? Yeah. Have a go. Bit more.
Needs to be a bit more.
A bit bready, aren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. Not there, not white, it'd be
a bit wetter.
a bit wetter. So they're not Krispy Kreme standard, are they? No. They're a bit different. They're more like a bagel, aren't they? And they're quite thick.
I vote out of 10.
Wait, alright, you're going to vote out of 10. Yeah. So, okay, so we'll go to the vote. Tilda's going to score it out of 10.
I vote 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. 6 were low. 6 were drastic, wasn't it? 7 out of 10.
8.2.
8.2 out of 10. But you compare it to Krispy Kreme donut with your score? Or you just rating it?
Rating it.
Rating it.
So Krispy Kreme donut, probably like
The donuts
Three.
are better.
7.
Compared
5.
Oh, okay.
The donuts are 9.
Right. Okay. Okay, so I think overall they were a success. Not what we expected. Not Krispy Kreme standard. More of a sweet bagel, we think. Sweet bagel, don't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they're nice, tasty.
Please like and subscribe. Bye.